Hello, wonderful students. This is Mr. Marcus. Thanks for tuning in for another episode of Math with Marcus. This problem is about ratios and proportional relationships and reasoning. It's a good one. Comes from course 1 from CPM. So it's 6-23. Together, Lucia and Ben have saved $150. Lucia saves $2 for every $1 that Ben saved. All right, so Lucia saved twice as much as Ben saved. How much money did each person save? Well, so you could think of this in a lot of ways, and I'm actually going to do it in a couple ways. One problem is we'll just say, okay, well, if I'm going to do this using ratios first. I'm going to say, well, if Lucia, and let's do some colors. Colors are fun. So let's have Lucia save $2 for every $1 that Ben saved. For every $1 that Ben has saved. And they saved a total of $150. So we have three quantities that we can compare, and a ratio is perfect for comparing two or more quantities. So I know that, and we're going to use these colons to indicate a ratio. So I know that Lucia has saved $2, and we're going to call 2L for Lucia. And I know that Ben has saved $1. So for every 2 that Lucia saves, Ben saves $1. And in total, that means in total, how much have they saved together? If Lucia saves 1, Lucia saves 2, Ben saves 1. In total, that means they've saved $3 in total. $3 in total. So this is going to really help us, because what we were given that all together they have saved $150. That all together they have saved $150 total. So all I need to do now is think about, well, what is that multiplier? What's happening here to get from $3 to $150? They haven't saved $3, but they've served some multiple of 3. And if you take a look at that, well, 3 times 50, if we have 50 times what they did here, that would get us to 150. So if Ben saves 50 times the dollar, and if Lucia saves 50 times, what we'll end up with is our answer of Lucia saving $100 and Ben saving 50. 50 saving for Ben. Another kind of nice way to do it is to draw a little table, and so say if Lucia saves $2 for every 1 that Ben saves. So here's 2 Lucias for every $1 that Ben saves. And we know that in total we know that this is $150. In total, that's $150. So I know that $2 saved, $1 Ben saves. So 2 that Lucia saves, Ben saves 1. But these must all be the same. They're all equal size. They're all equal parts. So I know that 150 divided by 3 is 50, 50, and that should have been in red. 50, 50, and 50. So Ben saves 50, and Lucia saves 100. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have a comment, if you like the video, go ahead and leave something. If you want to see another video made about some other topic, please leave a comment in the comment section, and I would love to make a video just for you. So thanks for watching.